Hello, my name is Jared Bailey, and this will be the PESTLE Analysis for Exit Denver Cafe. My partner and I, Caitlin Bailey, will be bringing the four situational analysis together for our business, Exit Denver Cafe. What is PESTLE? A PESTLE analysis is a business tool used to see the different angles of the environment you are operating in. PESTLE is an acronym for political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors. So first, with our political factors, the tax laws in the local area will be a factor. Today we did early voting, and we, as a county, we are looking to bring in a higher sales tax in order to provide more teaching jobs in our county. So laws like this will affect our business tremendously. Um, Next will be the labor laws, regulating the full-time associates that we have, and also the part-time associates, making sure that we are in full compliance with managing their hours and also health insurance and other 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 compliances that we need to stay up with them. Next would be the health regulations mandated by the state and also the county. We make sure that we are up to code with any FSA regulations, and also make sure our sanitation grades is a huge thing. In all North Carolina restaurants, you have to publicly display your sanitation grades, and we do not want to turn any of our customers away for having poor sanitation within our restaurant. And also the minimum wage increases that could potentially happen will also be a huge factor in our business and operation. So next we'll look at the economic factors. Um, the average household can bring in roughly $73,000 um, on a yearly basis in Denver. So we about the middle class type of area. That's just who we look to service and to cater to. We also have a huge retirement community and people on fixed incomes. This is a very quiet um, quiet area to live in and also to retire in. So we see a lot of retirees out, find this place to come and settle. However, the cost of living will eventually start to rise because this is a very attractive area. We are near a lake. Lake Norman is a man-made lake that we are located near. And you'll see a lot more people trying to get this way and to start their lives and to build their families out here. So next, you look at the social factors in the area. This is this, it, the culture here is a very deep South culture. A lot of good old country folks, as we like to say. And we also have a huge religious community, anywhere from Baptist, Catholic, different denominations and religions are located here in Denver. But it is still a large family oriented environment, and it's constantly bringing in new families from surrounding areas. And this is where people are starting to find a great place to come and start a family and raise their family. I would say some of the big social events that you will find in our community is through our local high school sporting events. So there's a big football community. This is Mustang country. I'm a former East Lincoln Mustang myself, and also I'm a coach at my local high school, both football and track. and our community supports our teams, our high school teams, with a great attendance at all games. It's like everything is centered around the big sporting events. So this is another avenue that we make sure that we need to stay on top of and make sure that we are getting our business out there and on the forefront of these during these events. And also the local newspapers, the Lincoln Times and Denver Weekly, circulate very well throughout our area. Excuse me. A lot of people pay attention to these two newspapers. So we make sure that we capitalize on promoting our business through these two avenues. The technological factors that will affect us are how we receive our payments from a basic credit card machine. Cash is always great, and also being able to accept Apple Pay or other smart devices payments. So making sure we have the proper equipment to receive these different types of payments. And also, we need to look at possibly setting up our website and doing online ordering in order to service more of our customers that are technologically advanced or enjoy um, ordering their food online so that we can service them better. So, next, we'll look at to our legal factors. And again, state laws and regulations will always be a huge factor in how we operate and conduct our business. To make sure that we are in compliance with all those laws at all times will be detrimental to us. Excuse me, will be a key for us to be successful. The Department of Health and Human Services Food Protection Facilities actually will conduct a lot of our health regulation audits and things of that nature. So make sure we're staying in compliance with all their rules and regulations, and also the way we dispose of our waste um, will be a huge factor. Speaking with other local restaurants within the area, this is something that's causing an issue for a lot of business owners. The state lines are being redrawn on who can tap into the county sewage and how far down it will go. This is something that we as a business need to make sure that we are staying ahead of and make sure that we set ourselves up for success and don't get behind on this. And lastly is the environmental factor. So like I mentioned before, we are right near Lake Norman. So we will attract um, those that visit the lake frequently. They come back in and enjoy some great food at our restaurant. And also we are a developing town. There's a lot of new shops and shopping centers and shopping areas developing within Denver. So it is on the uprise of that. So we're attracting more customers coming in, and also there are new housing developments being built all around the area. One huge neighborhood called Trilogy is being built right across the street from our local high school, um, and our high school is looking to possibly grow over the next 10 years, probably receive a little over another 1,000 students to attend that school. So this will be a huge impact and more families to feed or newer customers to attract to our business. Here are our references. I thank you for taking the time to listen to our PESTLE analysis, and I hope you have a wonderful day.